Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play FIFA on PS4 like a pro. To begin, focus on mastering the core controls. Practice your passing accuracy, ensuring every pass finds its target. Develop your shooting technique, aiming for the corners of the net. Don't forget to learn a few essential skill moves. They are crucial for beating defenders one-on-one. Finally, understand basic defensive positioning to intercept passes and make clean tackles. These foundational skills are your first step towards dominating the pitch. Moving beyond the basics, delve into advanced tactics. Customizing your team's instructions can dramatically impact gameplay. Experiment with various formations, like a 4-3-3 for attacking flair or a 4-2-3-1 for defensive solidity, to find what suits your style best. Adjust individual player instructions, telling your fullbacks to join the attack or your defensive midfielders to stay back. These subtle changes can give you a significant edge over your rivals, allowing you to adapt to any opponent. Now, let's refine your attacking and defending. In attack, focus on creating intricate passing movements and utilizing through balls to break down defenses. Look for opportunities to combine quick 1-2 passes to open up space. Defensively, learn to strategically press opponents without leaving gaps. Master the art of containing attackers, forcing them into less dangerous areas. Practice your one-on-one defending to win possession cleanly. Remember, a strong defense is just as crucial as a potent offense for consistent victories. Finally, consistent practice and a strong mindset are key. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to skill games and practice drills to hone your technique. After each match, take a few moments to analyze your gameplay, identifying both strengths and weaknesses. Don't get discouraged by losses. Instead, view them as learning opportunities. Maintain a positive attitude, stay patient, and celebrate small improvements. With dedication and the right approach, you will steadily climb the ranks and become a true FIFA pro.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.